Okay, so here's the DRL Relocate kit for the refreshed 2022 Silverado. These guys look like they go in line with the headlight harness. So this end is going to plug into your factory harness that you're going to remove from the back of the headlight. To remove those, I believe I think they have a red pin you just pull back and then depress. This one looks like you just depress it. And it looks like we're running off of a set of 3 relays here, and then looks like we need to run a power source to the battery. So I'm gonna go see if I can figure this out. Okay, so prior to starting, I definitely recommend to disconnect your battery just in case. So I think it's a 10 mil. Yep. Here I'm just going to open up the battery box and figure out where we're going to connect that power to. I'm going to use I believe this terminal right here, which I'm using to run the relay for my ditch lights currently, so I'll just use that same guy. Okay, so just to reiterate, the negative terminal is located right here, so just using a 10 mil, you can pop that off. Then you have your battery box. You got a couple clips, one here to depress, and then you can just pull that right off. And then as you can see, I'm not too sure exactly what this is, but I've been using this terminal to run my ditch lights, so I will just use that guy since I know it already works. Okay, now just to free up some room to work up here, I'm gonna pop off this shroud here and the hood latch. Yeah, basically just flathead screwdriver, pop this guy apart, and just pry it out of there. Once that's done, you're pretty much free to go, except the hood latch is going to keep you out. Yeah, to take this hood latch off, you're going to need a T15. Slides right off that track there. I just want to make a note that when you pull this handle off, whatever you do, do not shut the hood without putting it back on, or you're going to be in a lot of trouble. Alright. Okay, so I just passed my relay block through this opening right here. And I just have it resting here, and I suspect I'll probably zip tie it up out of the way somewhere. And then along with that, I ran the power wire through that same opening so that I can access this fitting here. And then of course we have our inline connector here, the one with the shorter run of wire. Obviously you're gonna leave that near this headlight, and you're going to want to have your relays and power wire obviously on the passenger side of the vehicle so that you're close to the battery and you can access that. And then I have just laid the harness across to the other light through here just to mock it up and see what it looks like. But I'll just finalize the running of the wires in a bit here. All right, so here's the plug you're gonna find on the back of the headlight. So it's gonna be facing up like this, and it'll be located in the very bottom of your headlight. So you wanna pull this red tab, will be like that. You just wanna pull it back, and then depress this black piece here. And then should be able to pull it out of there like that. So then you're gonna take your new harness and take the male end, which looks like this, and you wanna match up that tab with this slot here. Just go ahead and push that until you hear it click, and then lock the red tab back up. And then this piece is now replacing your OEM piece. So you're gonna want to orient that upwards and then just plug it in with your headlight. And you'll hear it click. And then you'll see that I've run this wire loom just along the front here, zip tied out of the way, and then yeah, everything tucked away over here. And then I have ran the cable onto this bolt I was using for the ditch lights, and that's going to be a 13 mil. So once you have that mounted up, you can just go ahead and button everything back up and just do the process in reverse.
Talk to me.